If you think this is fried rice, then you're wrong because this is bell pepper rice. Trust me, this is hands down one of the best rice creation ever. The taste is far different from your regular Nigerian fried rice. You want to try this one. So into a clean bowl, you want to add in your chicken breast, followed with your spices. I used paprika, chili powder. I use my onion powder, white pepper, but don't worry, I'm going to make a list of all that I use in the description below, so please do well to check it. Go ahead and add in your yogurt. Yes, trust me. When you massage this together, that's marinating your chicken breast, you want to leave this in your freezer for about 6 hours, or if you're in a hurry, an hour is fine. Then you can go ahead to fry your chicken breast. I forgot to add in my seasoning cubes, so this way me adding it now and properly stirring it together. Just take a look at this gorgeous juice that's come out from our chicken breast. Flip your chicken breast over and pop it into your air fryer again. Into your frying pan, you want to go ahead and saute your onions. I think rosemary and parsley leaves. Went ahead to add in my chopped tomato, tatashe, and rodo. You want to combine this properly, but take note that your tomato ratio is more than the tatashe, and then the rodo is the least in this mixture. Adding your carrots at this point, adding your bell peppers. As I use the 3 colors, you can stick with one if that's fine with you, but make sure that at this point your heat is actually high, because you do not want the bell peppers and the carrots to soak up moisture. You still want to retain that crunch. Go ahead and add in the same spices you used to marinate your sauce, because what we are trying to achieve is that even this mixture, this bell pepper mix, we want it to be properly seasoned, but not too seasoned, because we are using plain white basmati rice. So we want to make sure that our sauce, so to say, is the seasoning game is top notch. So this is me adding my chili pepper and then combining this together. I increased my heat like you see, and then I'm combining all this goodness together. And yes, my lovelies, if you've watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I have a goal of hitting 100k subscribers very soon, and your help goes a long way. So I added in my seasoning cubes right now, and you want to be very careful with this. Like, just make sure you are tasting as you are adding, so you know what you're doing. For this little twist, you want to add in your plantains. I fried my plantains. You can fry your own. Add in your chicken breast. You want to slice this in cubes, so that at every time you take a spoon of this bell peppered rice, you have that juicy, chicken breast, you have plantains, you have every goodies in a bite. I go ahead to add in my cooked rice. You can use your leftover white rice if you don't want it to waste. You can try to recreate this recipe with it, but I cooked the fresh batch of basmati rice, poured it into this beautiful sauce, and then stirred to combine. Trust me, you don't even need to go over and beyond with seasoning your white basmati rice. Just plain white rice, because you know that your seasoning game for that sauce mixture is top notch. You can just add plain white rice, and trust me, you will come back telling me that this was fabulous. Trust me, the taste is far different from fried rice. It is so unique, but it is a burst of beautiful flavor. Like this is Flavor Town right here. With from the juicy chicken breast to your air fried plantain to the spices I'll be listing in my description that I used. You can also tweak it to your liking. Like if you don't like some certain spices that I used, use what you have. The joy of cooking is in its creativity. So I poured in the juice from the chicken breast, added in my spring onions and stirred to combine this well. And if you've not subscribed up until this point, please hit the subscribe button. It actually helps my channel grow and recommend it to other people. Yeah, so see our beautiful bell peppered rice in its glory. And if you have any questions, please do well to let me know.